Today we are going to be learning from home, and we've been going over the difference between biotic and abiotic factors. So we know that biotic factors are living and abiotic factors are non-living. But how do we know the difference between them, and how do they affect living organisms? First things first. What is the difference between living and non-living things? So a living thing, biotic, they are things that can grow, have cells, reproduce, and move. Basically, anything that has, in a sense, a heartbeat. It can hurt, it can feel, it can do all those things. Non-living things, abiotic, they don't grow, they have no cells, and they don't need energy. And typically, they don't have a heartbeat. They don't need to eat, they don't need to sleep, they don't need to do any of that because they're not alive. So I want you to think right now, pause the video with your mom and dad, and write down what you think might be some living things and some non-living things, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to play a little game. It's called the biotic versus abiotic guessing game. I'm going to go through a bunch of different pictures, and you're going to pause the video when you need to. And you're going to write down if you think it's living or non-living. So biotic or abiotic. All right? All right, number 1, a panda bear. Write down if you think it's abiotic or biotic. Okay, let's check. It's biotic. That's correct. A panda bear is a living thing because it has cells, it reproduces, it has a heartbeat, it moves around, it cares. All right, get ready for your next one. A rock. Okay, welcome back. It is abiotic. That's correct. It doesn't have cells, it doesn't reproduce, and it doesn't have a heartbeat. Good job. All right, get ready for your next one. Water. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Okay, welcome back. Let's check it out. This is abiotic. It does not have cells, it does not reproduce, and it does not have a heartbeat. But we do know that there are living things that live in water. So it's kind of a trick question. All right, let's go to the next one. We have flowers. What do we think here, guys? Correct. It is biotic. Good job. Let's move to the next one. Ooh, temperature. Tricky. All right, welcome back. What do we think it was, guys? Abiotic. Correct. Weather is not living. You can feel cold, you can feel hot, but they aren't living things. Next, soil. Soil's a trick one, guys. All right, let's check it out. What do we think? It's both. It's a mix of living things and non-living things. So things like ground up sand and rocks and all those things could be mixed in. But there's also bacteria and little tiny living things that live in the dirt that you may not even see. Great job.